How to make a new TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a new TikTok account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To make a new TikTok account, open up the TikTok application over here, then just come to the profile page from the bottom right. It will ask you to log in. If you have an account, that's perfectly great, you can log in, but you can tap the sign up option from the bottom of the screen here. Then from here, what you actually want to do is just tap in the use phone or email option. So you can choose to enter your phone number to create a TikTok account, or you can also choose to create using your email. Just make sure that you have access to either of these. If you want, you can also create using Facebook, Google, or your Twitter account. Otherwise, if you have an account, you can tap on the login option here. Just tap and continue with Google or whatever else type of ID you have. Then you will be able to successfully log into TikTok. This way you can make a new TikTok account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.